What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to try making homemade fufu. So I'll be using cassava and plantain. So what I'm going to be doing now, I am going to go ahead and cut my cassava into small pieces and peel it because it's really hard to peel like that. So you have to cut it small and then peel the skin off. You can watch while I do that. So cassavas are used in many dishes in the Caribbean, and it was brought to Jamaica by the Africans. So I remember as a child growing up, my grandmother used to use cassava to make bami, which is something that we eat with fish. It's a gluten-free bread, flat bread, that we normally make at Easter time. We have it all year round, but it's more popular during the Easter season, and we serve this with fish. So if you want me to do that for you, you can let me know in the description down below, and I'll be happy to show you how to do some bami.
To see the truth around you, from a distance you can tell.
So what I've been doing, guys, I peeled the cassava and I cut it in two, and I took out the core inside. So that is what I'm taking out in the middle there, that little discolored part. That's what I'm taking out. So you take that out before you prepare your bamis. Now I'm going to put that away and move on to the plantains. I'll peel them down and then I'll cut them and show you. So to peel our plantains, you cut off the both ends, and then you want to ensure that your knife pierces the first layer of the plantain. Hold it with the opposite hand now, and then just use your finger to prise off the skin from the plantain. That's the easiest way to do it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
So now that your plantain is finished peeling and cleaned up, you're going to split it down the middle. Take out the seeds inside, and the reason for taking out the seeds inside is so that your fufu does not have the specks, the little black specks from the plantain in there, right? So you do that to both pieces, and then you cut it into tiny cubes in order to blend. So for this process, I'm going to be using my blender. If you have a food processor, you can go ahead and use a food processor as well, but I will be using my blender, or you use whatever mechanism you have. You can grate it and then boil it and then pound it, whichever is easier for you. So I'll just continue to cut up everything and then come back and show you when I'm ready to blend.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
As you can see, guys, I have now finished cutting my cassava and my plantain. So now I'm going to add them to my blender.
Forever free, you and me.
after adding all the cut pieces to the blender, I'll be adding half cup of water. You want to ensure that you do not add a lot of water because you cannot take it out if too much water is in there. It's best to add if you need more. Now I'm gonna blend until it is smooth. Guys, if you have tried fufu at home, let me know how that turns out for you or turned out for you. Leave it in the comment down below and tell me which other fufu recipe I can try as well. Remember to share my video, guys, and guys, remember to watch the ads. Thank you.
It's clear to see from up here.
So guys, my mixture is all blended, so I'm not going to transfer it into a microwave safe bowl. You might be wondering why I'm doing this, but I'll be using the microwave method to do my fufu. So you want to ensure that it is of this consistency, and you're going to put it in your microwave for 8 minutes and cover it with a microwave safe lid. So you put that in your microwave for 8 minutes. So guys, when I'll come back and show you in 8 minutes what it looks like.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
8 minutes have passed, and just took that from the microwave, as you can see. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to mix this all together. So you want to beat it properly, guys. Ensure that everything is smooth. Mix in the areas that are not cooked. Ensure that you get it properly. Like that. So now, guys. Alright guys, so when everything is all mixed, you're just gonna bring it back to the middle. Now I'm gonna add a little water, about 3 tablespoons or 1/4 cup, and I'm just gonna move the sides so that the water can surround it properly. And I'm gonna put it back into the microwave and allow it to cook for another 4 minutes. So while I'm waiting on my fufu to ready within the next 4 minutes, I'm just gonna oil this charger with some vegetable oil. This is where I'm going to fold it on so the oil prevents it from sticking on. So as soon as it comes out of the microwave, I'm going to place it on here. And I put it on a charger because it's easier for me to handle rather than a bowl. And if it breaks, it's okay, because sometimes when you pound it, if you use a glass or a chalk dish, it tends to, the impact sometimes breaks it, breaks the dish. So I'm using that. In a separate container, I got about 1/2 cup of water. So this is going to help me to fold it, the fufu, into the shape that I want it to be. So guys, I'm back from the microwave. Oh, yeah, there you go. So I'm now going to pour this out, very hot. So guys, do you want to scrape this out onto the... Fufu is hot when you just finish cooking it, so be extra careful. Okay guys, so now
and it can get sticky, and that's why you don't add a lot of water, because you don't want it to be too soft to work with. All right, guys, let's go. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place my hand in the water so that I can touch it, and I'm going to pick it, and I'm going to fold it the way I want it. But it's hot. So you're going to do that until you fold it or you want it, guys. So the folding helps to take out whatever lumps you have in there, if any, and just to get it smooth. Now guys, this is when when you get it to the how you want it, then you're gonna turn it over, and then you're gonna see that pretty side.
Guys, as you can see, I have transferred my fufu into a dish, and now I'm going to cut it into smaller segments so that I can go ahead and plate it. You can always shape it the way you want to at any given time. So that's my fufu there, and I'm going to be serving it with a stew made from curry goat, mackerel fish. It's an African dish. Beans, cow foot, lots of meat put together to make up this stew. And I love pepper. Yes, my pepper. So this is me plating my fufu for my dinner. There you have it, guys. My lovely fufu. Guys, I do hope you try this meal at home. Remember to like, share, leave a comment down below, and watch me try my fufu and tell you. Tastes so good. Remember that I post videos every Tuesdays and Fridays on my channel, and I'm looking forward to giving you more good stuff going forward. Bear with me. For those of you who are not aware of my membership, remember to check it out. Look at this plate, guys. You can see that I enjoy this meal. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm. Bye.